gonna shut a garage door. I know this is not the best content. I'm just in the garage door shut and open. But my dad is being so mad. We'll see how long this goes. If I get enough likes, click, and I'll do a part 2 of him. If it's still going on, he fixed it. Alright, well, see you in the next video. Bye.